Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I hope that you are ready to enjoy the two-day session. The topic for today's session is conformal mapping in complex analysis or complex variable. Our topic of discussion is conformal mapping for in complex analysis. For this, you recall in your 12th there was a chapter matrix, and there was multiplication of two matrices. Then to get multiplication of two matrices, it was prior decided condition that before multiplying any two given matrix, it was the prerequisite need to check the conformability of these two matrices whom you are going to take for the operation. Means if A is a matrix and B is a matrix, then if number of columns in A is 2 and number of rows in B is 2, means C of matrix A and R of matrix of B, CR, then A into B was possible by the logic that A and B are conformal for multiplication. Now our target is here to check the conformability of mappings. What a wonderful idea to check the conformability of a function. The function who is a, you can say, icon, who is a standard that represent a group of values in the form of domain and codomain or range. The testing of conformability of function is on a stack. Maybe in so many cases. Means in a nutshell, which function should be taken in complex analysis for any operation and which function should not be taken. Means which one is conformal for the operation in complex analysis and which one is not conformal for complex analysis in the given function. So I would like to share with you on your screen this is conformal mapping. And let gamma such that closed interval AB tends to C be a smooth curve in domain D. This is a smooth curve. This is the domain D. Let gamma such that closed interval tends to C be a smooth curve in domain D. Let fz be a function defined at all points z on lambda. Let C, capital C, denote the image of lambda under the transformation omega is equal to fz. The parametric equation of C is given by like this. Ct is equal to omega t, f of lambda t, where t belongs to closed interval AB. Let us suppose that gamma passes through z0 is equal to gamma t naught, where t naught is greater than a and less than b, means in this interval, which f is analytic at this point. Then this is equal to this. This means argument of the first derivative of omega at the point t naught is equal to argument of first derivative of z naught plus argument of gamma dash t naught. These are the pictorial shape before and after differentiation of the given function. Now come on the next point and try to understand that what is the meaning of the conformality of mapping. Let C1, C2 such that closed interval AB tends to C the two smooth curves in domain D passing through Z0. Then the above we have this result. And then in that circumstances, due to the process of differentiation, there will be change in the shape of the graph. Here is definition of conformal of mapping. Here is definition of conformal of mapping, isogonal mapping. And I hope you can write this and you can enjoy that what is the conformality of mapping in complex analysis. For your kind information, this lecture has been powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And in case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the comment box. In case of your any query, it will be resolved by me. Thank you very much for enjoying this lecture and cooperating with me.